Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access retirement planning resources in Bright. Are you planning for retirement? Well, Bright makes it simple with built-in tools and guidances. Here's how to find them. First, open the Bright app and head to the Plan or Financial Goals tab. Tap on Retirement Planning, or you can just look for a goal labeled Retire Smart. Bright will ask you for a few details like your age, retirement age goals, current savings, as well as monthly contributions. Based on that, it's going to show your retirement projection, how much you're on track to save, and what you're going to need to retire comfortably. You can tap Adjust Plan to update your contributions or retirement age to see how it affects your goal. You can also explore retirement articles, investment tips, and Bright's auto invest suggestion right below the tracker. Bright helps you to understand the steps so you can retire confidently, not blindly. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.